Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we will see another video on green buildings. In my earlier video I've discussed about sustainable features of a green building, and in this video we will see about benefits of green building. So moving on to the benefits, we have benefits in three terms. That is, one is in terms of environment, that is the environmental benefits, and then we have in terms of society, that is the social benefits, and we have in terms of economics, that is the economical benefits. So let's see one by one in detail. Coming on to the environmental benefits. So in case of environmental benefits, the first point is protect and enhance the biodiversity and ecological system. So as I've already told, we put up sustainable practices in building design and construction, so that it helps to conserve natural habitats, reduce pollution, and also to maintain biodiversity. For example, like by incorporating green spaces, natural habitats, eco-friendly materials, development uh, can help in minimizing the ecological footprint. So such efforts can contribute to preserving the balance of local ecosystem and also to support the wildlife conservation. And economical benefit, another point is reducing the wastage of water and energy. And already discussed, efficient energy and efficient water use in buildings significantly can reduce the waste. Examples: utilizing low flow plumbing, using energy efficient appliances, renewable energy sources like solar power, etc. They can stop excess consumption of energy, which can help to conserve the vital resources, and also which can help in reducing the environmental degradation. The next benefit in terms of environment is improves air and water quality and promotes a healthy lifestyle. So basically, we adopt a eco-friendly design in green buildings, which is looking at high priority about clean air and water through better filtration system, reduced emissions, and responsible waste management. This leads to healthier living environment, less air pollution, and clean water source, promoting healthier lifestyle for the occupants who are staying inside and also surrounding communities. The next benefit in terms of environment is preserve and maintain the existing environment and promote a psychologically optimized environment. That is, in green buildings, we are designing it with sustainability. Keeping in mind the word sustainability, we are designing it so which helps for preservation of existing natural surroundings and minimizing the disruption of the landscape. Additionally, we are providing green spaces and access to nature in built environments also have been shown to enhance the mental well-being of the uh, people, and also reduce the stress levels and also increase overall happiness and also the productivity. Moving on to benefits in terms of economy, that is the economical benefits, we have the first one: lower construction cost and higher property value. So green buildings often have lower upfront construction costs due to energy efficient use and also resource efficient use. Over time, the operational savings, like for example bills, energy bills, etc., can also be reduced. Therefore, sustainability becomes more desirable, and properties with green certifications basically tend to have higher resale values when compared to uh, other traditional buildings. The next benefit in terms of economy is improves occupants' health and overall productivity. One should understand that in green buildings, our priority is air, and by improving air quality, we can reduce exposure to toxic materials, and therefore, we can have adequate lighting, adequate ventilation, and this can enhance the well being of the occupants. And obviously, when you have a healthier environment, you have increased focus and higher productivity for working. We have next benefit in term of economy is saves utility and other household bills by efficient use of water and energy. So green buildings incorporate energy efficient system. Like for example, in the earlier video we have seen about solar panels. Even we have smart systems nowadays. So we can and also told we have water saving technologies like rainwater harvesting, low flow fixtures, etc. So they all reduce your utility bills of your energy and also water. This results in significant long-term savings for the occupants, lowering their overall household experiences. And next is best for growing and marketing green products. Like uh, as the demand for sustainability grows, the businesses and the properties which are revolving around these eco-friendly construction practices can have a very good expanding market, for their products and services. This can lead to new revenue opportunities and support the growth of industries which are focused on sustainability like organic farming, renewable energy, and eco-friendly products. And the last we have social benefits, that is the benefits in terms of society. So the first one is easy and affordable go green opportunities for existing homes. So you can upgrade your existing home with green features like you can install energy efficient lighting, you can install water saving appliances, you can install improved insulation techniques, which can all be done affordably. So these improvements can make accessible for the home owners to reduce the environmental impact without the need for full scale renovation. Next, we have enhanced indoor air quality. So, as I've already told, air quality is crucial for health. So, by increasing the indoor air quality, we can uh, end up using non-toxic materials, and we can have a good ventilation and good air filtration. This results in cleaner, fresher air indoors, which leads to lesser or no respiratory issues for human beings. And next is minimize strain on local infrastructure. So if you incorporate sustainable design elements like your water conservation techniques or energy conservation techniques, so obviously green buildings can reduce the demand on local utilities and infrastructure. This can minimize strain on public services like water treatment, water supply, etc., which can lead to lower maintenance costs for municipalities. So this is how we explain the benefits of green buildings. Hope you all understood the video. Thanks for watching.